Welcome to another Trading Psychology. I'm the host, Mr. PTP, Kofi Ajiman. Guys, I hope you guys are excited for the value you're going to get today. I celebrate and salute every single person that's on this call. And I also celebrate and salute every single person that's been consistent. On this call, please put number 2 in the chat. If you've been here every single week, or if you're looking to plug in every single week to get value, put number 2 in the group chat. Amazing. I love that, guys. I'm honored to serve you. As I said, I've been doing this for the longest time. I'm honored to serve you, and I just want this academy to grow. I want this community to grow. I want the culture to grow. So I just want to encourage every single person that's here for the first time. I'm very animated. I'm very loud. I'm very passionate, but I give value. Right, Sarah's smiling. Yeah, like I give value. Why? Because I've been through certain things that has qualified me. You see, sometimes you have to go with people that got qualifications. It's qualified me to speak on trading psychology. So first and foremost, actionable steps. Follow me on Instagram at Kofi_TechSell. So Sarah, if you've not done it already, and anyone that's new, maybe Kirill, follow me on Instagram. It's in the group chat right now. Guys, take screenshots. Let's promote this academy far and wide. So at Kofi_TechSell, also Facebook Kofi Ajiman. All right, Facebook Kofi Ajiman, and follow me on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe. YouTube.com Kofi Ajiman 7. All right. The reason why, especially YouTube, is simply because all this content is straight on YouTube. All right, it's straight there for you guys to feast on. People have got a lot of value from this, and they've got it at my expense. Yeah, why am I saying that? Because I lost money in trading, and because of that, it started off this journey. Okay, guys, get a trading journal. Everyone that's new, please get yourself a trading journal at amefinance.com. Okay. That's trading journal. Okay, do that because it's very imperative that everyone has a trading journal. Guys, today it's called, what is the title of today's topic? Let me see if you guys have been following. Let me see if you guys have been paying attention in the group chats. What is today's topic that I'm going to share on? What's today's topic? Thank you, Bex. Bex wins a prize. Right, bird's eye view. Now, bird's eye view is funny, right? I named the title that before what happened to me today trading. Today, and this is to anyone that's watching, anyone that I mentor, anyone that's trading, I've lost 3 trades in a row today. I'm done trading. Yeah, I'm done trading. You see that? I can't trade anymore. 3 trades in a row. I don't know what happened. Every trade, well, I took another trade, but I closed it early because my entry wasn't the greatest. All right, but it didn't really do much for me. But altogether, my total loss for the day has been met. Yeah, so I'm not trading no more. You put a number 7 if you just got value from what I've just done. I'm not trading no more. I'm not, and I'm trying to help someone here. My total loss for the day has been met. I don't know what happened to my trades. All my trades went up. My trades, listen, I'm good. I followed my rules. I did exactly what I meant to do. And they just went up a tiny bit, hit stop loss. Went up a tiny bit, hit stop loss. Just got into a latest trade. I was like, this is gonna bang. This one's gonna bang. I've been watching it, waiting for it. All my confirmations were met. Yada, yada, yada. Trade went up. Just hit my stop loss. I'm still smiling. I'm still smiling. I'm still on here. I'm still trading because today's topic is called bird's eye view. You see, some of you right now are focusing on the trades. Those 3 trades, you're like, oh my gosh, I lost 3 trades. Me, I'm like, I don't care. Bird's eye view. Why? Because I'm looking from above at the finished result. Write this in the group chat. I'm looking from above at the finished result. You understand? I'm looking from above at the finished result. So a bird's eye view is having a bigger perspective. You see, some of you right now are like, the way I used to be, I'll be focusing on today. I'll be focused on each and individual trade. I don't know what happened. It just, and the funny thing is, I could have taken money. I could have taken some small change, but I wanted it to hit my TP. You know, I really wanted it to hit my TP, and it just went up and then hit stop loss, went up, hit stop loss, went up, hit stop loss. The last trade I really thought was gonna bang. I really thought it was gonna bang. However, the bird's eye view perspective is that I'm not looking at today, which is Tuesday. What's Tuesday? What? Tuesday the 10th. I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at the end of the month. I'm looking at the end of the month. Someone needs to write that down. I'm looking at the end of the month, or you can do smaller segments at the end of the week. I'm quite flabbergasted because normally I don't normally hit my 3, but I did. Someone needs to hear that, because I know someone's like, I've hit my daily loss target, but I'm still gonna trade. Someone's gonna do that. So I know, I can hear in my spirit, someone's gonna do that. You've hit your daily loss target, but you're still gonna trade because you want to get the money back. Who am I talking to? And also, do you guys have a plan? I need to make sure everyone has a plan. You see, I know my daily loss target, and I know once I've hit it, I'm not allowed to trade no more. So this is the thing. Thank you, Pammy. Pammy wrote a message. Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan? Every trader here, I want to listen, be honest. And remember, this is a community where we can be vulnerable. You know, I want us to be vulnerable. Don't give me that. I'm so perfect. I've got my plan ready. The trading results will tell me the truth. Listen, what I want to know, and I'm asking, do you have a plan? Just write yes or no in the group chat. Pammy's like yes. Carla's like still on demo. Okay, so who said no? Okay, Christine, we need to get you into a plan. But I take it, Christine, you're new. Yes, I see. All right. Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of people. Guys, I want the no's. Who hasn't got a plan? Thank you, Christine, for being honest. I want to know the people. Okay. I see Onome said no. Nicole's like, I have now. Hey, Cuzzy, Philip, who's on the call, did you hear that? Nicole said she has now. Atita says still working on one. Now, the reason I'm talking to my cousin, because I had a word with Nicole. And I said to Nicole, you have 3 losses in a day and you're done. She's like, yeah, but, you know, the rest of our trades bang. You know, I can win. Like, I lose 3, but I'll win 8. I said, it doesn't matter. If you get the first 3 wrong, you're out. Nicole's like, stop. What do you mean stop? Not only does Nicole bling, Nicole's always blinging. We call her drip drip. And if you know, you know, right? You know. Drip drip. But not only is she dripping, yeah, we call her the drip queen. She just, I had to be firm with her. She's telling us, and I was like, Nicole, you can trade. I know you can trade. I know you're very good at trading, but you have to have your plan. It doesn't matter what your emotions are saying. It matters what your plan says. Atita says, what if you're using less than 1% per trade? It doesn't matter. You still have a plan. It doesn't matter. You need to have a daily loss limit. Philip's like bars. But Philip, cuz it's the truth, innit? We told her. Like, cuzzy, I'm good, bro. Like, I lost 3 trades in a row. Like, what can I do? I'm done trading. No more looking at charts. Tomorrow we go again. Write that in a group chat. Tomorrow we go again. Pammy says, no what ifs, no buts, no maybes. You need a plan. Pammy says, fail to plan, you plan to fail. Woo, I love that. Write that again. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. Now, what I want to talk to us about in trading is, so we've spoken about perspective. Remember, we touched the other day on perspective. And a bird's eye view is you can see the end in mind. You can see the end in mind. So write that down. You can see the end in mind. I can see that by the end of the week, I'll be in profit. I would have made up for those losses. Because my plan tells me, my plan tells me that I want to have 1 to 3s. So my next trade, I want it to hit 1 to 3. So the next trade I have, I can make up all that money I've lost today. Because I want to have 1 to 3. So I've lost 3 1%, 1, 1, 1. If I win the next trade, I'm back to 0 again from today. Yeah? Because when I win a trade, it's 1 to 3. So having a bird's eye view and a bird's eye perspective, I know what my win to loss ratio says, and I also know what my R to R says, my risk to reward. This is how you become a consistently profitable trader. Knowing when to stop. In a group chat, please someone write knowing when to stop. Like, I'm so calm. Like the way I am now, I'm so calm. I'm like, yeah, okay. Before, I'm a terrible trader. I can't trade. I can't trade. I'm giving up. I'm quitting. I'm quitting trading. I lost 3 trades. That's how I used to be, guys. That's how I used to be. But put number 5 if you're in this for the long haul. Put number 5 if you're in this to see financial freedom for your future generations. Put number 5. I want to see the 5s. You see, what we have to overcome, ladies and gentlemen, is our emotions. What we have to overcome is our emotions. Yes or yes? Let me see in the group chat. We have to overcome our emotions. Atita's crying. We have to overcome our emotions. The only way we can overcome our emotions is by, write this down. Write this. I am a series of trades trader. I am a series of trades trader. I am a series of trades trader. I just want to encourage someone today. I am a series of trades trader. And I'm saying that because this is the mentality you have to have. This is the mentality you've got to take on board. This is what I embody. And one thing about me, I'm very honest and very real and very raw. You guys have seen my journey. If you guys go through all the videos from way back when, you see my journey. There's been times on here I've cried. There's been times I've been frustrated. There's been times but I've grown. I've grown as a trader. And I really feel happy in that piece because I was like, I can't believe this last trade hit stop loss. And guys, that's growth. That is serious growth. From the time that I can just be like, okay, that's growth. And I want everyone on this call to get to the place where it's, because write this down as well. At the end of your feelings is nothing. But behind every principle, there's a promise. I'll say it again. At the end of your feelings is nothing. But behind every principle, there's a promise. What does that mean? That simply means, Kof, get out your feelings. You're done trading for today. Yeah, you're done trading for today. What you're gonna do, you're gonna wait for the principle. The principle is you're gonna find a banging trade and it's gonna be a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. And that's gonna make up for your losses. Okay, that's the principle. And because of that principle, there's a promise. If I follow my plan, I'm going to be in profit. There's a principle when you're doing 1 to 3 on FRX, you can lose 7 out of 10 trades. Let's deep this. You can lose 7 out of 10 trades and you'll still be in profit. That's crazy, right? You lose 7 out of 10. You win 3 out of 10. 3 1 to 3s. You're on profit. That's crazy, right? Do the maths. You're plus 2%. That's crazy. I'm excited. I'm excited. Who's excited? So I can lose 7 trades in a row and win 3, only 3. 1, and I'll be plus 2%. So I'll still be in profit. That's insane. Pammy, have a look to see whether you can find that picture I sent to you a long time ago. And let's see if we can screen share it. The picture where it talks about the 1 to 3s and all that malarkey. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay. I'll get the picture for you and we'll share it. But that gives me great comfort. Why? Because I have a bird's eye view. You can have a bird's eye view. Oh, so Pammy, can you share screen? I want to share, and I want to show you something. Yeah, I have it. Pammy, I want to see it. Not. She's like, yeah, on my computer, I have it. She's a joker. Right. So my point is this. You having a perspective of a bird's eye view and having the end in mind will tell you and give you peace in your trading. You'll be like, right, cool. I'm going to do HFX and my strategy just by backtesting, proves to me out of 100 trades, I have a 70% win ratio. Of a bird's eye view and having the end in mind will tell you and give you peace in your trading. You'll be like, right, cool. I'm going to do HFX and my strategy just by backtesting. I'm playing in the background twice. Out of 100, guys, bet number one if you can see the screen. I have a 70% win ratio. Thank you, Pammy, for this. Just take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. This is powerful. On a 1-to-1, this is FRX again, right? On a 1-to-1, if you lose 7, okay, and you win 3, you are minus 4%. So you lose 7, you win 3, you're minus 4%. You win 3, but you lose 7. This is insane. You win 3 and you lose 7, you're plus 2%. This is insane. So your success in trading will simply just be down to your ratios. Your success in trading will simply just be down to you understanding your numbers. Your success in trading will simply just be down to you having discipline. Your success in trading will simply just be down to you being disciplined. Your success in trading will simply be down to you having an overview with the end goal in mind. Take a screenshot of this. This is especially, that's why you need to have your art. Now, if you have R to R of 1-to-1, but you win 90% of the time, you're good. It's if you lose quite a lot. Yeah. So you need to have good R to R. So 1-to-1 can still work and 1-to-2 can still work. You know, but you have to have good R to Rs. Okay, you have to have good R to Rs. So this is a really great method for you to be competent and confident when you're trading FRX. As I said, if you're dealing with HFX, you need to know out of 100 trades, what's your win to loss ratio? If it's 70%, you know you're good. You know you're good. It's just a numbers game that needs to play out. If you follow your rules and you're consistent with your rules, it's just a numbers game that needs to play out. Thank you, Pammy. It's just a numbers game that has to play out. In the group chat, I want someone to write, it's a numbers game that has to play out. So let's talk about it. Who here, and I want to talk to people that are vulnerable, people that are real. Who here has had a trading plan and hasn't stuck to it? Just let me see in the group chat, me. Okay. Okay, I want to talk to a few of you. Okay, so Atito, I want to talk to you. So let me find Atito. I want to get your, I want you to just to share. Thank you, Pammy. I want you to share your story. And let me know if you can put your camera on as well. Let me know.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh yeah, sorry, I can't put my camera on.
No problem, no problem. Yeah. Share with us.
Hello, everyone.
Hey.
I'm new to all this anyway. I'm just 2 months in, but I'm majorly into HFX. So, but like I had asked on the group chat, I thought maybe if you were using less than 1% trade amount, then you could go as many times as possible. So what I did was to I started doing after using my demo account. I came in only in June, and after going through the academy, I started joining the educators as well. And then on my demo account, I was more liberal. I was using $5, but when I got a life account proper, I was using £1 because my life account is in pounds. So I was using £1, and educators had said to have a risk management plan of 5% a day, which should also be equivalent to the profit you want to make in a day. If you're not willing to lose 5%, then you should not be happy to win 5%. So that was the way this particular educator put it. So, but I felt that because I was using less than 1% per trade, I could go more than the normal. Even when I lost 3 trades in a row, I carried on going. There were times when I had done like 10 trades, lost 7 and won 3. But I thought I was protected because I was only using less than 1%. And then this less than 1% is like one pound instead of 2.5 pounds. So maybe I got it all wrong, but Kofi, what you said today has like been engraved in my senses now that no matter how much you're using, 3 losses are 3 losses and you should stop. So I'm still working on myself to discipline myself and
Okay, when it comes to HFX.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Guys, can we celebrate Atito, please, for sharing? Let's celebrate Atito in the group chat. Thank you so much for sharing. Amazing. Right, so when it comes to HFX, it's slightly different. Okay, it's slightly different because the educator said you can lose 5%. HFX is so much easier to win. It's so much easier, like, because there's no drawdown, it's just bam, 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 bam. Now, whatever you do in HFX, even if you're using less than 1% risk, when it comes to HFX, you can decide, so Tito, you can decide what is your max percentage loss. You see, for FRX, we tend to do 1%. If you're doing HFX, because it's so rapid and so quick, you should decide what is your max loss. So if you're doing less than 0.1%, you can say, you know what, I'm just gonna do five trades. So you will go by trades, not by percentage. Yeah, so HFX is slightly different. So you might be like, all right, cool. I'm willing to risk less than 1% and I'm gonna take 5 trades. If I lose all 5, I'm out for the day. Or if I lose 5 period, I'm out for the day. Because with HFX, it tends to be 10-1, 7-2, 6-3, you know? So it's the trades that you take, but you have to make up in your mind, what is the account balance you're willing to lose overall? Okay, what is the account balance? So yes, you work out your percentage, so less than 0.8%. I'm going to allow myself to lose 5 trades and I'm done. Now, this is the thing with HFX. If you lose, win, lose, win, lose, that doesn't mean you've lost 5 trades. So you have to be like in your mindset of HFX, 5 losses that make me end up in negative. Does that make sense? 5 losses that make me end up losing. Let me get my calculator. What's 8 times 5? 40. Okay, let's say that. So 0.8 is, let's say 8 times 5, that's 40, right? So you're willing in £100 account, you're willing to lose £4. Am I making sense? Is my maths all right? Is that making sense? So you're willing to lose £4, but you can keep trading with HFX as many as you want. But when you hit £4 loss, so when you hit £96, you're done. You're done. You're done trading. Stop. Finish. That's it. Pack up. Close the laptop. Walk away. Yeah, because when it comes to trading HFX, it's the numbers. It's literally 7 out of 10. So you won 7-3, 2-1, 3-0. Yeah, but you have to have a number in mind. So if you're like, I'm only going to lose 4% of my account growth or account, it doesn't matter how many trades you take with HFX. If you lose £4 maximum, you're done. So if you lose, you're done. If you lose, you win, you win. You lose, you lose. You win, you win. But you haven't hit 4. Does it make sense? It's when you hit £4 loss, you must stop. Guys, anyone that's doing HFX, is this making sense? I'm not really a HFX trader. I've got a HFX account, but is that making sense? Let me know if it's making sense to all the HFX traders out there. Is there only one? Is there only a Tito? Okay, Carl, is that complete? Okay. Jessica, thank you, Jessica. Jessica Walker. Makes sense. All right, cool. But when it comes to FRX, we have a system called risk to reward ratio, which determines that you want to lose that amount, but you want to gain this amount. So I can lose 3 trades in a row, which I have done. So imagine 3. This is me. I've lost today. I take 1 trade tomorrow, and it hits TP. From here, I should be at break even. Yeah, I should be at break even. And then I take another 1 to 3 and I win that. Guess what? I'm now in profit. Take another one, I win that. I'm now in profit. I lose 1, I come back down to there, but I'm still in profit. What do I want to say to you guys today? I want every single person on this call from today to have a perspective of a bird's eye view. You want to see the end result in mind. I am so happy. Write this down. I am so happy and grateful now. I'm a 6-figure. I am so happy and grateful now. I'm a 6-figure trader. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now. I'm a 6-figure trader. Bye. That's the end goal of mine. Who here believes they're going to be a 6-figure trader? But what you have to do, and the hardest thing you have to do, is work on yourself. Work on yourself. That's why these calls are the most important calls of the week. And guys, really emphasize that to people. Get your team on these calls, because it's the mindset of a trader. You see, if I just start trading willy-nilly and do whatever I want to do, I will win trades, lose trades, win trades, but I won't know what I'm doing, and you'll end up being in a loss. But when you have a plan and you stick to the plan and you look at your bird's eye view and you're cool, today I'm stress-free. I'm really stress-free, because I know that my plan will end up winning in the long run. I know by literally the 1 to 3 method, I could win. I could lose 7 and I don't lose 7. But just imagine if I did, I just have to win 3 and I'm still in profit. So I'm excited. I'm really, really excited for the future. I'm really, really excited for every single one of us on the call. I'm really, really excited for every single person that is plugging into the education. All of you that are plugging into the education, stick with it. Why? Because the educators have got to places that we haven't got yet. Just by sticking with them, by following them, by default, you'll get the same results. By default, you will get the same results. So guys, Sarah, I want to encourage you that you guys have done the right thing. You have jumped onto this trading psychology call. What I want you to do is really spread the word of all the newcomers. I really want you guys to understand that just by being consistent, you're going to be a winner. Remember, at the end of your feelings is nothing, but behind every principle, there's a promise. Just by being consistent, you have to win. The laws of averages. Just by being consistent, you have to win. That's just a spiritual law. You have just by being consistent. Consistency wins. It's inconsistency. The good book says this: a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. By you being consistent, by getting out of your feelings, getting out of your emotions, and let your numbers play out, you're going to be a winning trader. All right. So, guys, tomorrow at David College. Please write these numbers down. 6:30, 60. Tomorrow, David Game College, Team Excel. That's my team. Team Excel. We have got our event where it's going to be powerful. Going to be every single person to attend. Game College in Aldgate East. All right, it's a free event. What we're going to have is prospects. So we want to invite every single person that you want to be part of this amazing. Also going to be given. Also, okay, not only will there be people that sign up, there's also get £300 cash away. Listen to this. Listen to what I'm saying. I love that. The person who brings the most guests will get £300. So imagine this. You could even tell your friends, if you come with me to this event, I will pay you. I'll say it again. If you come with me to this event, I will pay you. So imagine having 6 members that turn up and you win the most people, you're paying them £50 each. It's going to turn down £50 to come. What, hold on. You're telling me I've just got to come and you're going to pay me £50? Yep, that is a potential. The keyword's potential, all right? Most people come with 1 or 2. If you come with 6 people, you're definitely guaranteed to win. Just say, look, I'm paying you £50 to come and listen to this presentation. Why? Because we want to impact people's lives. This is impact number 2 in the group chat, because it's definitely impacted my life. I'm financially independent because of this company. All right. So what we want to do is make sure everyone comes with their prospects. It's from 6:30 to 8. And then we've got team training, which I'm going to lead. And HFX possible. Just waiting on confirmation. If not, it might be DCX. All right. But there's definitely going to be value given. So I want people to come in the droves. Invite your guests, invite your friends. And also, team members, I want us to understand there's power in unity. There's power at being at events. A lot of us are lockdown babies. That means you were born in lockdown. You came onto this platform in lockdown. You don't even know what an event is. When you are at an event, so much value is given, your mindset is changed and your mindset grows. You see, people attracted to what you do, they're attracted to who you are. People are not attracted to what you do, they're attracted to who you are. If that makes sense, put number 7. You see, thank you, Zara. This is the thing. When you start to bear fruit, people are going to be drawn to you. For you to bear fruit, you have to grow up here. Now, the way I've developed myself, I'm not the same person that I was 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I've grown as a person. This platform has enabled me and empowered me to grow. So what you want to do is begin to grow in your mindset. The only way you're able to grow in your mindset is to change your environment. Be around like-minded individuals and you're going to win. I promise you, you come to the event tomorrow, you're going to hear a nugget from myself. You're going to hear a nugget from someone else. You're going to get value. And my mentality is I live to add value. So guys, I expect to see everyone on the call there tomorrow. Bring guests and you may make some money. Bring more than 3. Not only that, they might even sign up and bless you, you know, giving you residual income as well as free subscription. All right. So bring people tomorrow. Team Excel, trading training, Team Excel event. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys. And anyone that I haven't seen, I'd love to meet you in person. So please make sure you catch me afterwards. I'm not going nowhere. Look for me. I want to have a catch up, get to know you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your time. I really do honor you. Thank you for being consistent. This is going to be straight put on YouTube, so it's already recorded. Just give me your takeaways, guys. Give me your takeaways before you jump off. Give me your takeaways. What have you learned from today's session? What value have you got from today's session? Take a bird's eye view of your trading. Amazing. Thank you so much. What else? Have the end in mind. Yes, Jessica Walker, you're killing it with that. Thank you, Christine. Discipline yourself from Debbie. Love that. Too much value. Oh, thank you, Magnifique. Oh, thank you. I'm honored. I'm a series of trades trader. Yes, Bex. You have to see yourself as I'm a series of trades trader. You can't see it for today. It has to be a series of trades. That's how I see myself. Yes, Atita, bird's eye view. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Mr. Singh, 3 losses and turn away. Yes. So, Safar, what I'll say to you is whatever's in your trading plan. Yeah. If it's 3% risk and you have 3 stop losses, then you're done for the day. If you do 0.5%, but you only want to lose 3%, then you can lose 6 trades in a row, if that makes sense. It always depends on your trading plan. But for me, 3 trades for me and I'm done. Pammy says, at the end of your feelings, there's nothing, but behind every principle, there's a promise. That's why I'm calm, I'm cool, I'm collected, because I truly believe that you'll hear a different story next week. You'll be like, guys, I did 1 to 9. I got a 1 to 9. R to R ratio is good. Bird's eye view. Trading plan. Bird's eye view. Yes, Farouk. Guys, I love you. You are